Well, I think from the department's perspective, one of the real driving concerns is staying ahead of the adversaries. We have evolving threats and tactics, techniques, and procedures, as we call them, and it seems like that's always a driver. The drive to non-replayable authentication. Guarding those hashes. Used to be okay to, we didn't even think about that as an issue before, and now we have to drive in, and we're always looking for what is the adversary going to do next, and how can we stay up ahead of that with all these, massive programs and whatnot. Mm-hmm. And that's really that's a big chunk of it, is just the complexity in the space, the size of the DoD, the number of devices. Thousands of enclaves. Sure. There's a lot to worry about in that space, and trying to have some sort of uniform way of securing it. Right. I'd also say, I mentioned it earlier, we have disconnected users. I think a lot of the technologies that we use in industry rely upon always being connected, and that's something that within the department we can't always do. So we have to figure out how to store forward the sorts of identity access management data, so that disconnected user, whether aboard a ship or in a tactical environment, they're able to use all these capabilities.
Yeah, excellent.